Hello everyone, how is it going? Scramble here from Emotionless Crypto Trading. Welcome to my new technical analysis video presentation, the daily show video of Bitcoin, where we are going to take a look at the data of the markets, more exactly in the charts, and discover the future probabilities and predictions that are backed up in the data. So we're going to advance as fast as possible, and before we get into the main topic, I'd like to call out the 24 hours volume for the entire market, which is $79 billion. Then the total market cap of the space is 360 billion, and the current BTC dominance is surviving above 55%, more likely 58.5. That's where we are in a nutshell with the entire situation. The Bitcoin was able to successfully increase 6.13% in the last 7 days, and it has a decrease of 0.25% in the last 24 hours. So as per data, well, this is where we are. First of all, I would have to explain you the context. We do have a uptrending channel that you can see with a resistance line at the top, a support line at the bottom, and a median line. This median line is creating two separated structures of the uptrending channel, the upper structure and the lower structure we're in, basically. Just like two separated fields that we're trading into. Now, as soon as the markets are moving in the upper field, we do have to keep in mind one very important sort of a way concept. If the charts are not going to successfully break out of the resistance line, every single time we have failed on that, we came back into the lower side, into the lower part of the channel. And it's been like that here, over there. And those were the two times basically we have formed a double top on the resistance, and then directly we have moved to our support line, the lower side of the channel, where we have bounced back to the median line. So these were very, very good swing trades, guys, that you could have applied to the market. So today I'm questioning and I'm wondering what is going on. As per, we have touched our resistance line, but we didn't broke out of it. And now we have established a couple of lows here, which of course is not the end of the day, as long as the markets are still having power to push towards 11,500. And take a look at that. The markets are actually pumping right now while I'm filming this, and they're finding themselves in a good situation. However, what is important is that the current market situation is allowing even a 11,000, $700-800 top here would still mean that we're in a possibility to retouch the median line and retouch the lower side. I mean, that would be very, very interesting. With that being said, we do have a huge blank space, a white space that we used to call, that is located over there, just like we had during this structure. But then we have revisited and reclaimed all the liquidity that was hiding over there for all those guys that were taking 50 and 100x positions long over here. So basically the markets are having a very high probability rate right now to retouch these levels of under $11,000 and meet up with our uptrending channel support line, which has been doing very, very well in the past. Now, we're not in a position right now to call out what is going to happen whenever we touch the support line. We might break below that and have difficulty surviving in a period of $10,000 and above it. If we break below this uptrending channel support line, then obviously we're going to re-attack this bottom right there somewhere at that time. Now, these are all possibilities for the future, which doesn't exclude the November and December months, right? So we're right now during October, but it does not exclude November possibilities to such numbers. On the other side of the things, we do have under the median line, we do have the levels of 11,100, 11,170, 11,220. We do have all those levels that have been activating, and they're still pretty strong. So we might see movements as long as the selling pressure is not big in volume, just like it was at that time when we have crossed below, right below the median line. That's where we are, guys. This is the current situation of the BTC. We do have to keep in mind above us at 11,583, 11,535, we're having difficulties due to the fact that there is a top there, to which the market have responded very, very aggressively. Take a look at that. I mean, that's a huge selling power which has happened over there. However, we still cannot exclude the chances of retouching the 539s and so on with the current situation of the market is definitely possible. That being said, that's pretty much all about today's video presentation and technical analysis in Bitcoin. Make sure to take a look at my scramblecoaching.com website, look at the video, and register now for a private one-on-one coaching program for those of you looking to become professional traders. This is a very, very serious program out there that you can apply and you can join with, be directly my student, and take advantage of a life-changing program which is driving you into the professional fields. There's a free conversation with me of 30 minutes where I can explain you how it works as soon as you have filled out the form. Well, you can take a look in the comments area and description area for my main YouTube channel, where I have more than 300 videos related to cryptocurrency, and you will see Ethereum technical analysis over there. Once again, guys, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, tell me your opinions and feedback in the comments area, and see you in my next videos.